Welcome. This home embodies honest simplicity in a black and white color palette. We prioritize real materials and clean lines. Natural lights enhance the simple, airy design of the double volume space. The black wooden frame is a key focal point, adding natural contrast. This frame visually defines the kitchen from the open living and dining area. Simplicity in every element creates a sense of calm. Upstairs, the study maintains this clean aesthetic. The master bedroom offers a timelessly simple retreat. This home design is about honest material, natural lights, and clean lines. Simplicity gives us space to breathe. Good design is as little design as possible. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the home tour.